Hey everyone, I'm out here while it has stopped raining to bring this to the chickens. It's some bread that has different kinds of grains in it. I bought it just for them on a reduced rack. Then there's a piece of celery and there's some cranberries that I bought them. I bought them a bag of cranberries yesterday from Aldi's, only 99 cents. They love any kind of berries. They're out. Look at all this water. That's why I have that board there to try to climb over. Oh, that's my molting one. I'm gonna bring it over here. I gave them some. Oh, they still have some cranberries from this morning. Well, I'll just put that. Get their water. 1, 2, 3. Someone's missing. Oh, they took a piece of bread and ran off. Let's see. Big Daddy might be inside. Let's see if he's in here. Yep. Let's see their food. They got, I'm gonna go get them some more food because they got hay in this. I'll take you. There's Abner. They're happy to finally be outside. We got a lot of rain. And I don't think it's done raining. It's just a break right now. Oh. Monster. Sadie. Miss Kitty must have come and ate some. Okay. Let's take this over. This has a mixture of oats, sunflower seeds. There's like some dried peas. There's different kind of wheats in there. And then their lay pellets. They like that bread with all the different grains on it. Get their water. Okay. I don't usually put their food in the coop, but because of the rain, I did. And those berries, she's eating bread. They'll pick at him. Okay, everyone. Hope you're having a great Thanksgiving. Talk to you later.